So hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, today topic about how to get Snapchat public profile and subscribe button on Snapchat account. So guys, lot of iPhone and iPad user report to iPhone cannot get the Snapchat public profile and subscribe button also. So guys, how to fix this issue on Snapchat? So guys, I give you some tips and tricks easy to solve your problems. So guys, first of all, open the Snapchat, then you can see also left corner profile icon. So please tap on profile, then you can not see also Snapchat map option in your iPhone and Android devices. Guys, in Snapchat you can see also right corner settings. So please tap on settings, then you can see also who can, then contact me options, then please select the everyone, then again send me notification also everyone's, then view my story also everyone's. After all settings everyone, then come back in iPhone home screens, then again you can find out the App Store in your iPhone and iPad. In App Store you can search top corner search bar VPN. In VPN, any one VPN you can download in your iPhone and iPad. So please, I recommended free VPN download in your iPhone and iPad. I also VPN download, and select the United States VPN in your iPhone and iPad. Easy to solve your problems. Then connect to your devices with VPN, then you can see also connected in your iPhone and iPad. Then again come back in iPhone home screens, then again open the Snapchat account in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, then again open the left corner profile icon. So please tap on profile, then you can see also not showing the snap map options in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, how to fix this issue on iPhone Snapchat? So guys, first of all, open the again close the Snapchat, then again open the Snapchat, then again the Snapchat profile, then you cannot see also snap map options in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, again the settings you can see also manage. In manage you can see also manage settings, then again come back and also close the Snapchat account, then again open the Snapchat in your iPhone and iPad. This open and close 4 to 5 times, open and close, then automatically show add to snap maps in your iPhone and iPad easily. In add snap map 3 dots, so please tap on 3 dots and you can see also create profile. So then again continue, then get start, then you can see also create profile public profiles, then create also, then you can see also new pop-up my public profiles, then tap on my public profiles and you can see also edit profiles. In edit profile you can see also profile information, so any information about that your profiles, then again location set, and also you can see also show subscriber counts, then you can see also previous, then you can see also subscriber in your profile icon in Snapchat. And easy to solve your problems 100%. You can also add the profile in your profile public profiles also. I hope this video helpful for you in your Snapchat public profile. So please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you cannot show the option public profile, so please send me message on my Instagram account and YouTube comment box. I